In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a one-on-one and two-on-two picture in Microsoft Word. Trying to resize passport, visa, or ID photos down to exact dimensions here using random online tools completely compromises your image privacy and often leaves you with skewed proportions. Microsoft Word has a built-in cropping engine that allows you to lock image layouts down to exact physical dimensions. And today we are setting up a perfect square aspect ratio and injecting precise 1:1 and 2:2 measurements. So let's bring your image into the workspace and force perfect square constraints. So let's open up the blank document. After that, just click on the Insert tab right here, and your top navigation ribbon layouts move to the illustration group, which is going to be this one. Then to click on Images or Pictures, and then choose this device. And this will allow you to upload your photo. Okay, so this is my photo here. Then, with the image selected on your page, look up at the top ribbon and click the newly visible picture format context tab. As you can see, it's chosen already in my case, so move to the far right, click the tiny downward arrow underneath the crop icon, which is this one here, and then hover your cursor over aspect ratio here and select square 1:1 from the pop-out options menu. And so now that the image is a perfect square, let's lock in your exact destination scale. So look back at the same picture format tab and shift your focus to the size group on the far right. Then click directly into the top height field box. And under height, delete all of that. Just click on it once. And then in both height and width, choose 1:1. As you can see now, it's choosing the exact height and width, and if you want 2, just press 2 like this. And then finally, you can click the Wrap Text button right next to the sizing window and select in front of text, so you can move and duplicate your photo freely across the sheets. And there you go. Now, as you can see, you can move it away and select it as you want. And that is it for the video. That is how to make a 1:1 and 2:2 picture in Microsoft Word. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.